The 2018 Deathlef Globetrotter XLI is a top-notch motorhome designed to make your travel comfortable and stylish. Built on a strong and reliable chassis, this vehicle looks modern and is well insulated, so it's perfect for trips any time of the year. Inside, you'll find a spacious and cozy living area with high-quality furniture that feels like home. The kitchen is fully equipped, ready for cooking your favorite meals on the road. There's a comfortable sleeping area where you can rest well after a day of exploring, plus a modern bathroom for convenience. Smart storage spaces help keep everything neat and organized, so you have plenty of room for your gear. Large windows fill the space with natural light, creating a bright and open atmosphere. The Globetrotter XLI is also packed with advanced features that make driving smooth and easy, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. The 2024 Class C Greyhawk XL is an amazing motorhome designed especially for families who love to travel. Built on a strong Ford E450 chassis, it offers powerful performance and smooth handling, making it perfect for both long road trips and quick weekend adventures. Inside, you'll find a warm and comfortable space that feels like home. The kitchen is fully equipped so you can cook your favorite meals on the go. There's a cozy dining area where the whole family can gather and a relaxing living room to unwind after a day of exploring. When it's time to sleep, the Greyhawk XL offers plenty of options: a comfy queen bed, a cahebe-over bunk, and sofas that easily convert into beds. This means it can comfortably fit families or groups of friends. What makes it even better is the Smart J Command system, which lets you control the lights, temperature, and other features right from your smartphone. Autonom Shuttle. The Autonom Shuttle is a cool, driverless electric vehicle made to help people get around easily in cities and suburbs. Built by the French company Navia, this shuttle uses smart technology like sensors, cameras, and GPS to drive safely without a human behind the wheel. It moves at a safe speed of about 25 kilometers per hour, which is perfect for short trips in places like university campuses, office parks, and busy city centers. Because it runs completely on electricity, the shuttle is eco-friendly and helps keep the air clean. Inside, it's spacious enough to carry around 15 passengers comfortably, making it great for groups or daily commuters. The shuttle is designed to be safe, smooth, and convenient, especially in areas with less traffic or where lots of people walk around. Balachon Nano. The Balachon Nano is a super compact and cozy tiny house that packs everything you need into just 7 square meters of space. Built on a 3.3-meter trailer, it's designed for people who love the freedom of the open road without giving up comfort. Inside, you'll find a smart layout that includes a small kitchen, a work area, and a sleeping space, big enough for 2 adults and 1 child. It might be tiny, but it feels surprisingly complete. Weighing only 1.6 tons and resting on a single axle, the Nano is light enough to be pushed into place by hand with a little help, perfect for setting up at campsites or scenic stops. It's ideal for weekend getaways, road trips, or even full-time minimal living. The design focuses on mobility, simplicity, and smart use of space, making it a great choice for adventurers and nature lovers. The Brooder EXP4 Expedition trailer is a rugged, compact camper built for true off-road adventures. It's designed to go anywhere thanks to a special suspension system that keeps it steady on uneven ground and steep hills. With extra high ground clearance and the ability to fit big 37-inch tires, it can handle the toughest trails with ease. This camper has a large rear door that opens up to create a covered outdoor space over the kitchen and sleeping areas. The kitchen is well equipped with plenty of storage, different cooktop options, and a sink with running water, making meal prep easy no matter where you are. The sleeping area is cozy with a comfy inner spring mattress, and you can add heating or air conditioning for extra comfort. Built tough and smart, the Brooder EXP4 is perfect for explorers who want to visit remote places without sacrificing comfort. It's made to handle rough terrain while giving you everything you need for a great trip. Buoy capsule. Tucked near the scenic shores of Harriseel, Germany, the buoy capsule offers one of the most unique overnight stays in Europe. This eye-catching little pod is actually a restored anchor buoy that once lay at the bottom of the sea off Norway's coast for over 120 years. Today, it's been transformed into a tiny floating hotel room, and it's attracting adventurous travelers from all over. Inside, the space is small, just under 2 meters in diameter, but it's cleverly designed to provide a cozy sleeping experience surrounded by water. While the nearest bathroom and shower are about 150 meters away on shore, most guests don't mind the short walk. Why? Because the peaceful setting, ocean breeze, and stunning views more than make up for it. Some people enjoy the experience so much they stay for several nights just to unplug and relax. Whether you're a fan of unusual getaways or just want to fall asleep to the gentle sound of waves, the buoy capsule delivers an unforgettable stay. The Circle Transformer bike is an amazing new idea that combines cycling with camping in one unique package. Designed by German creator Bernhard Sabata, this bike is perfect for people who love long rides and outdoor adventures. What makes it stand out is its big circular frame that holds a fold-out bed, chair, and table all in one. You can easily set up a comfy campsite wherever you stop, even if the ground is rough. The chair and table are great for eating, working, or just relaxing after a long day of cycling. Plus, the bike has a built-in roof to protect you and your belongings from rain, sun, or wind, so you can sleep comfortably, no matter the weather. Although it's still just a concept and not yet for sale, the Circle Transformer bike shows a cool future where your bike isn't just for riding, it's also your portable home. It's perfect for adventure lovers who want to explore without giving up comfort or shelter. The crossover houseboat is a special kind of boat that combines the spacious feel of a house with the smooth, stylish ride of a yacht. Imagine having a beautiful floating home where you can relax and enjoy peaceful river trips or fun adventures across calm bays. Inside, there's plenty of room with multiple bedrooms, bathrooms, a full kitchen, and a cozy living space. Big windows and high ceilings let in lots of natural light, making it feel bright and open, just like home. This houseboat is perfect for people who want comfort and style on the water, whether for relaxing or exploring new places. It offers the best of both worlds, the luxury of a houseboat and the performance of a yacht. Prices usually start around $800,000 and can go up to $1.5 million, reflecting its high quality and unique design. With the crossover houseboat, you get the freedom to enjoy life on the water without giving up comfort or convenience. The Eluc Bike Camper is the perfect companion for solo bike travelers who want to camp comfortably on the road. Made in Germany, this lightweight single-wheel trailer easily connects to any bike with a standard rear axle. It's built with a strong aluminum frame and a waterproof canvas tent, so you stay dry and cozy no matter the weather. Inside, there's a comfy sleeping area with a soft mattress and pillow to help you relax after a long ride. The camper also includes a small kitchen with a stove, sink, and cutting board, making it easy to cook simple meals outdoors. Weighing only about 60 pounds, it's light enough to tow without hassle, but tough enough to handle your adventures. Setting up camp is quick and easy since the camper can be assembled and taken down fast. Ford F-Vision electric truck. The Ford F-Vision electric truck is a cool, futuristic concept that shows what the future of trucking might look like. It's an all-electric semi-truck designed to carry freight over long distances without producing any pollution. Its smooth, aerodynamic shape helps it glide through the air, saving energy and making the ride more efficient. What makes the F-Vision extra special is its advanced technology. It has autonomous driving capabilities, meaning it can drive itself safely on highways, and smart connectivity features that keep everything running smoothly and connected. The truck's bold, modern design takes inspiration from superheroes, giving it a strong and exciting look. Although the F-Vision is still just a concept and not available to buy yet, it shows Ford's big focus on building trucks that are better for the environment and smarter for drivers. This truck represents a new way of thinking about freight transport, cleaner, safer, and full of high-tech features.